mes amis, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on stopping by, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get to notify each time I drop a video. And if you're subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. We are going to be talking about my new cream. Yes guys, as you all know, before I have talked about the cream I used before, but for some months now I just quit the cream, of which I'm going to be showing the reason why I quit the cream on my channel, so do stay tuned. Okay guys, so today guys, the cream I'm going to be reviewing is this cream guys. This cream is called White Secret. As you can see, this cream look like this. It is called White Secret guys. This cream is really nice guys. I believe this is one of the best whitening cream that is trendy right now guys. Yes, I bought this cream I think about 15 euros. Yes guys, this cream costs about 15 euros. So guys, this cream actually is a lighting body lotion, and the cream says it's going to give you fast result in 5 days. So guys, I'm going to give it a try. In a much I don't want to brighten my skin, so I'm just going to give it a try to see, because I have so many people that have been inboxing me asking me a cream to brighten their skin. So I'm just going to give this a try, and I will definitely come back to tell you guys the result, if it's worth it, if it does what it says. Because as you can see, it's like this. It said if you have this color before, it's going to brighten you to this color, and then it's going to leave your color to be like this. It means it's going to brighten you. So I have a friend that's using this cream guys, so, and she has been using this cream for a while, and this cream is really wonderful. Trust me when I say this cream is wonderful. This cream has been doing wonders for her guys. You need to see her. She's glowing, she's white, like everything is perfect. It's perfecto. For now she don't have no complaints. So guys, that's why I decided to give it a try so I can see for myself. So I'm just going to go into the journey of this cream, and after maybe at the end of the month I'm going to come back to tell you guys if it's worth it, if you go and get it for yourself or not. So guys, basically I got this cream, and I also got the serum guys. So this is the serum, and this is how it look like. The serum unifying complexion is, the serum is unifying complexion serum guys. So they say this cream will take care of if you have black spot. As you can see, I believe you all can see a lady that has black spot after and before and after. So guys, they say this serum is going to take care of your black spot, all so on and so forth guys. So yes guys, this is how they say the serum is really effective guys, because I have someone that's been using it before. They say the serum is effective. So if you really want this cream to give you a good result, if you really want your skin to be bright, like you really want to brighten your skin, you want your skin to be white, I will advise when you get this, I think this is 50 ml. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, this is 50 ml guys. So if you really want to whiten your skin, I will advise you take, if you buy this one, I will advise you take 2 serum. I will advise you take 2 serum. It's going to brighten you that way guys, because this cream, I will advise, do not mix this cream with any other gel or tube. Do not. Just the serum is okay guys. If you really want to whiten your skin, you go for 2 serum. But if you just want gradually like mine, because I don't like any harsh cream guys, so that's why I got 1 serum. And the next on my list is the oil guys. This is the oil, and this is how it look like. This oil is really nice guys. If you just want your skin to be like, if you don't want that ash, you know, that ashness on your skin, I will advise you just get the cream and you get the oil guys. But if you want it to be, if you want to brighten your skin a little bit, I will advise you take it like this. You take the serum, the oil, and the body cream. So guys, that's all about this cream. This cream guys, they say this cream has a vitamin, they say this cream contains vitamin E. They say you should apply twice a day. So I will advise you, when you want to use this cream, guys, I will advise you use this cream at night, because we all know that right now is summer almost everywhere. Like, the weather is so hot, guys. Do not use any harsh chemical on your skin when the weather is so hot, guys. Try to use it before going to bed. Skip the morning part of it. Just try to use it for this particular period that we add now. I will advise you use this cream just once a day before going to bed. After taking your bath in the evening, just try to use this cream. Do not use this cream when you are going out on the sun, because if not, you are going to, it's going to give you a sunburn, and it's going to damage your skin, guys. So yes, guys, this cream, they say this cream is going to give you result in 5 days. They said white secret lait de beauté éclaircissant, meaning is whitening body milk. Yes, guys. So they said this cream will remove your black hair and also spot. They said it contains vitamin E, like this. It prevents dark spots, you know, stuff like that. Apply twice a day, morning and evening. Like as I said before, do not apply morning and evening, just once. After the first apply, effect will become visible. Your skin will, like, your skin is going to glow. Your skin, they say it glow your skin as well. So they have so many. So do not keep this cream in a hot place. They say you should keep it in a very cold environment. You understand? So they said the ingredients they use on this cream, the cream contains Vaseline oil, petroleum, stretch acid, vitamin E, you know, so many things, saying castor oil and fragrance. So this cream was made in Togo. Yes, according to them, they say the cream was made in Togo. So guys, if you want this cream to, if you do not use this cream to bleach your skin, there is a way to use cream that is going to give you that fine skin, that fine color, guys. Just use this cream once a day before going to bed, and you are going to see the results. Like, then if you really want it to work for you, you miss these two in your cream. Do not use it when you are going to sun, guys. Do not use this cream when you are going out to the sun, guys. So yes, guys, so that's basically it. I'm going to be coming on my next video to show you guys on how I promise this cream, how I'm going to promise it for myself. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys find this video helpful and useful. If you do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay cute. Until then, see you on my next one. Bye bye.